Tonight, we are very excited to come together because Toastmasters clubs of Aruba are competing against each other in a speech contest. That's right. 3 clubs, Barangka Toastmasters Club, University of Aruba Toastmasters Club, and Yamanota Toastmasters Club all have contestants that have prepared, have practiced, and tonight they are here to show us what they've got. Once a year, all the clubs of Toastmasters around the world have contests. These contests, they take place at club level. And tonight, 3 clubs are coming together from Area 35, and all members from all 3 clubs are going to compete against each other for the evaluation contest, as well as the table topics impromptu speaking contest. In Toastmasters International, just like any other organization, we do have levels. We start the competitions for contests at club level, then those winners go on to area level. So tonight's winners will then move on to division level, where they will compete against Toastmasters in Medellin, as well as Bonaire. And then from that level, they go on to Caribbean Toastmasters District 81 competition. Anyone that is interested in improving their communication style, if they want to improve their communication speaking skills, if they want to build their leadership skills, they really should consider becoming members of a Toastmasters club. Here in Aruba, we have 4 Toastmasters clubs. All of our clubs can be found on Facebook. Just go to the BTC of Aruba for Barangka Toastmasters Club, or Orua Toastmasters Club, or Yamanota Toastmasters Club, or University of Aruba Toastmasters Club. And there you can send us a message, or you can go to toastmasters.org, and there you can find all the clubs across the world.